Can we drill holes with multi-tools? Of course we can. Here's 4 ways to do it. Check it out. Number 1. The owl. Lots of multi-tools have owls, especially if they're locking. It's very useful to start a hole and then you can enlarge it, especially in a soft material. Second, countersunk bit. These are very small, so they can fit very well anywhere. And they have an interesting thing. You can use a set screw and extend the length of the drill bit. The whole thing can fit in a pocket or in a pouch. Put it in a multi-tool that accepts 1/4 inch bits. You have a really good tool there, ready to use. There's the hole. You can use it, for example, to pass some wire. Number 3, step bit. This is a very small one. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And it's pretty small, but still has lots of diameters, so it's very convenient. Less than 2 inches overall. All it takes is a 1/4 inch bit holder. It could be, for example, an enclosure if you need a hole to pass some cables. Then, because it's a step drill, you can do larger diameters by using just the larger part. Number 4, self-drilling screw. This is the smallest possible in my opinion. You just carry one of those little screws. They basically take no space at all. Less than a 1/2 inch. Then with a Phillips, you just can be drilling little holes. There you have it, 4 ways to drill holes using multi-tools. Thank you for watching.